Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Permission to introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Muzarafi from class SE22C Information System Study Program, Nusa Putra University, Sukabumi. Here I will present my scientific work entitled Analysis of the Use of VR in Medicine. Well, the discussion among them is: the first is abstract, the second is introduction, the third is method, the fourth is results and discussions, the fifth is conclusions, and the last is reference. The first, abstract. The use of virtual reality or VR in medicine has shown promising potential for a wide range of applications, from medical education to patient therapy. This paper aims to analyze the use of VR in medicine through observing the literature. The method is to collect information from relevant sources, such as ebooks, which describe the use of VR in a medical context. The results of this analysis provide insight into VR application in medical education, diagnosis and treatment planning, physical rehabilitation, and patient therapy. The conclusion of this analysis shows the potential and benefits of using VR in the medical field. Introduction. In the era of ever-evolving technology, virtual reality or VR has become one of the leading innovations that has attracted attention in various fields, including the world of medicine. VR is a technology that provides an immersive digital environment, allowing users to interact and experience sensations that resemble the real world. In the medical context, the use of VR has been applied in medical education, diagnosis and treatment planning, physical rehabilitation, and patient therapy. This introduction provides background on the use of VR in medicine and describes the purpose of this analysis. In this analysis, we will explore the various applications of VR in medicine and consider the associated benefits and challenges. It is hoped that by analyzing the use of VR in medicine, we can understand the potential of this technology to improve medical practice and provide better care for patients. Method. The method is the analysis is a reflection of literature from various sources that are relevant to the use of VR in the medical field. We search and collect information from ebooks related to this topic through trust academic database and ebook platforms. We ask keywords such as use of VR in medical education, application of VR in diagnosis and treatment planning, VR for physical rehabilitation, and so on. We then analyze the relevant ebooks to identify relevant information and summarize them in this paper. Result and discussion. VR application in medical education. The use of VR in medical education has provided significant benefits. With VR, medical students can experience realistic and interactive simulations, which help in understanding human anatomy and medical procedures. For example, in surgical training, the use of VR allows students to practice performing surgical procedures, using virtual tools, and dealing with challenging situations, such as bleeding or complications. Studies also show that the use of VR in medical education can increase understanding of clinical concepts and skills, as well as reduce errors during real practice. VR application in diagnosis and treatment planning. VR also has a significant role in diagnosis and treatment planning. In diagnostics, as VR can be used to create three-dimensional visualization of complex organs or body structures. This helps doctor analyze a clear and more detailed picture of the patient's condition, thereby increasing the accuracy of the diagnosis. In addition, VR can also be used to better plan complex operations. Doctors can visualize operation virtually, access points, and identify potential risks before taking real action. This helps reduce risk and improve the results of surgery. VR application in physical rehabilitation. Physical rehabilitation is another area where the use of VR has changed the traditional approach. In physical rehabilitation, VR can be used to provide immersive simulated environments where patients can practice movements and physical activities with the help of therapy. For example, patients with physical disabilities can use VR to train their balance, coordination, and muscle strength. The attractive and stimulating virtual environment provided by VR can increase patient motivation and involvement in their rehabilitation program. VR application in patient therapy. In addition, VR has also been used in patient therapy. In this context, VR is used to reduce patient pain and anxiety during uncomfortable medical procedures. Through engaging virtual experience, patients can be moved from the stressful clinical environment to a more relaxing and enjoyable environment. Studies show that the use of VR in patient therapy can reduce patient anxiety, stress, and pain levels, thereby increasing patient comfort and satisfaction during medical treatment. Conclusion: this analysis has highlighted the various applications of VR in medicine and identified the significant benefits they offer. The use of VR in medical education allows medical students to practice in realistic simulations, increasing conceptual understanding and clinical skills. In diagnosis and treatment planning, VR assists doctors in visualizing organs and body structures in 3 dimensions, increasing the accuracy of diagnosis and planning of operations. In physical rehabilitation, VR provides an immersive simulated environment to train patients to restore balance, coordination, and muscular strength. Additionally, the use of VR in patient therapy has been shown to reduce patient pain, anxiety, and stress, increasing comfort during medical treatment. Reference: so many presentation from me. Sorry if there are wrong words. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.